Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we have seen how to do the K-map simplification, or how to use a K-map technique for solving different Boolean equation. So we have learned how to plot the K-map for 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K-maps. Then we have seen while solving a K-map how to make the grouping of ones. So the way of grouping are pair, chord and octet. In that we have seen how to do the pairing in K-map. So pair is nothing but the group of two ones which we have made for solving the K-map. So we have seen the number of types of pairs, like this type, then corner pairs. These are also corner pair. These are the overlapping pairs, and here also we have seen the types of pair. So the next grouping today we will going to see is chord. Now chord means a number of 4 number of ones we have grouped together. We are going to group together 4 number of ones, which is called as a chord, and we will see how to solve that chord. On your screen you can see that the group of 4 is also made, which is the right form of grouping. And while doing the grouping in K-map, don't consider 0 or don't involve 0 values in group. Then only power of 2 grouping is possible. That means only pair, chord and octet you can group in your K-map. That means either you can make a pair, that means group of 2 ones, or you can make a group of 4 ones, that is chord, and or you can make a group of 8 ones, that is octet. So that much grouping is only allowed in K-map technique. Don't make a group of 3, 5, 7 like that. So on your screen you can see that the wrong group of 3 ones is a wrong way of grouping. Then including zeros in your group is also wrong grouping. So today we'll see some examples of chord grouping. That means we are going to combine the 4 number of ones, which is called as a chord, and how to solve this chord or types of chord we'll see in our today's lecture, right? So for chord, one K-map is given, that is 4 variable K-map. Now for 4 variable K-map, what are the house numbers or what are the block numbers that we have seen yesterday, how to design 4 variable K-map. So here A bar, B bar, A bar B, AB and AB bar variables are there for rows, and for columns C bar, D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. Now the house numbers are fixed, as I told you yesterday: 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. So these house numbers are fixed, which we have designed yesterday, and don't change the order of these house numbers or block numbers, right? Now the marking is given like this. So we will not consider the zeros value while doing the grouping. Now here 4 ones are there, so don't make 2 pairs. Instead of 2 pair, you can make a group of 4 ones, which is called as a chord. So such type of grouping is chord. Chord means 4 number of ones, right? Now we have to solve this chord. So how to solve? Yesterday we have seen for each individual one we have to write equation, Boolean equation. Boolean equation means row contents and column contents. For each one we'll write row and column contents and we'll add together, and finally by applying Boolean algebra laws we will solve the equation. So for this one you can see that the row is A, B bar and column is C bar, D bar. For next one, the row is same A, B bar, column is C bar, D. For next one, row is same A, B bar, column is C, D. And for last one, the row is same A, B bar, column is C, D bar. So if you want to solve, we'll consider these two terms and then these two terms. So we'll find out the common variable from these two. So common variables are A, B bar, C bar. So in bracket D bar and D will remain. And in these two terms, A, B bar, C is common. Again in bracket D and D bar will remain. Now D plus D bar will get replaced with 1 according to OR law. So A, B, C bar plus this A, B bar, C will remain. Now in this two term, A, B bar is common. So in bracket C bar plus C will remain. C bar plus C is get replaced with 1 by OR law. So final answer is B bar. Now how you tally your answer? You can see that from this octet the A, B bar contents are common for all ones, right? So A, B bar is the common variables for this 4 Boolean equation, right? Now in column you can see that C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar variables are there. So C bar C will get cancelled each other. Then D bar D also will get cancelled with each other. So just by seeing this code you can say that this is the common variable, and if we solve this equation we will get this answer only. So from K-map you can judge that those variables are common that will remain in last. That means you can find out the answer just by seeing. You can say that A, B bar is a common variable for this 4 ones. So the final answer is also A, B bar, right? The complement and uncomplement contents are cancelled with each other and only common variables are remain here. So your answer is correct. So this is the way of solving the chord, and chord means the four number of ones. Then we'll see a next example for chord. Again 4 variable K-map is given. Now whatever sums I'm taking here, you can practice at your home. By practicing more number of sums, you will be able to draw K-map with this variable and this house number. So जितना भी प्रैक्टिस आप इसको लिखने की करोगे तो ये अपने आप आपको क्या हो जाएगा, इसका प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा कि ये वेरिएबल कैसे लिखने, ए बार बी बार, ए बार बी, ए बी बार, वैसे ही सी बार डी बार, सी बार डी, सी डी एंड सी डी बार. And the house numbers are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Now the K-map is given. Sometimes K-map is given, sometimes a equation is given. So here K-map is given for solving. Now here grouping of these ones are possible, which is called as a chord. Now from this equation, from this chord you can say that the common variables are C bar D, right? And this A bar B bar, that means A bar A, this A bar and A will get cancelled, B bar B and B bar B will get cancelled. So your final answer should be C bar D. But writing these equations and then finding out the common variable, then again finding the equation, again finding a common variable, this type of steps should be followed by you, and then only your answer is correct. It is just for tally your answer. Your answer, आपका आंसर सी बार डी आने वाला है, ये आपको इस स्टेप के साथ ही प्रूव करना है. लेकिन ये कैसे देखना है कि ये कॉर्ड में सी बार डी एक कॉलम इज कॉमन, दैट्स वाई योर फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा, आपका सी बार डी ही आना चाहिए। लेकिन आपको हर एक वन के लिए इक्वेशन लिख के उसके बाद कॉमन वेरिएबल फाइंड आउट करके ही वो सॉल्व करके ही आपको क्या करना है कि ये आंसर आपका आना चाहिए। ये जस्ट फॉर आपको टैली करने के लिए कि सी बार डी ये आने वाला है, आपको पता है, लेकिन ये आपको प्रूफ करना है। तो प्रूफ कैसे करना है, हर एक वन के लिए इक्वेशन लिखना है। इक्वेशन लिखते टाइम रो एंड कॉलम के वेरिएबल्स लेने हैं हर एक वन को, उसमें नेक्स्ट वन के साथ ऐड करने हैं और फाइनली कॉमन वेरिएबल निकाल के आपको सॉल्व करना है। तो अभी कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, फॉर दिस वन ए बार बी बार सी बार डी, फॉर सेकेंड वन ए बार बी सी बार डी, फॉर थर्ड ए बी सी बार डी, ए बी बार सी बार डी. Now we'll consider this two term. In this two term, a bar c bar d is common, so in bracket b bar plus b will remain. Here also in this two term a c bar d is common, a c bar d is common, so in bracket b plus b bar will remain. This b plus b bar will get replaced with 1 according to OR law. Then a bar c bar d will remain and a c bar d will remain. Then here a bar d term is common. No, c bar d term is common. In bracket a plus a bar will remain. So a plus a bar is equals to 1. So final answer is c bar d. That means this column. So in this way you have to solve the chord, that means grouping of 4 ones. Now we'll see the next type of chord. Again 4 variable K map is given. So here a bar b bar a bar b, a b and a b bar variables. Then here c bar d bar, c bar d, c d and c d bar, right? Then where house numbers are 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. Now the K map plotting is given like this. Again no need to consider zeros, only consider group of ones. So here 4 ones are there, so we can do this type of chord here, right? Now we will solve this chord. Now your answer should be, this chord contains these 2 rows and from these 2 rows the b variable is common, and these 2 columns, in these 2 columns the variable c bar is common. So your answer should be b c bar, right? So आपको ये प्रूफ करना है, ये जो कॉर्ड है इसने ये 2 रो को ऑक्यूपाई किया है, ये 2 कॉलम को ऑक्यूपाई किया है, तो इसमें से इन दोनों रो में से ए बार कैंसिल हो जाएगा और बी कॉमन आएगा, और इन 2 कॉलम में सी बार वेरिएबल इज कॉमन एंड डी बार कैंसिल हो जाएगा। सो आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, इस रो में से बी और इस कॉलम में से सी बार। सो योर आंसर शुड बी बी सी बार, ये आपको प्रूफ करना है। अभी कैसे प्रूफ करना है, हर एक वन के लिए हम इक्वेशन निकालेंगे और उस इक्वेशंस में हम कॉमन वेरिएबल निकाल के फिर उसको बुलियन अलजेब्रा लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे। सो ये वन के लिए इक्वेशन आएगा ए बार बी सी बार डी, इसके लिए ए बार बी सी बार डी, यहाँ पे सी बार डी बार है। देन ये वन के लिए ए बी सी बार डी बार एंड दिस वन ए बी सी बार डी। अभी इसको हम सेपरेट करेंगे इस 2 टर्म में और इस 2 टर्म में, इसमें से कॉमन वेरिएबल निकालेंगे बी सी बार ए बार बी सी बार, ए बार बी सी बार। सो ब्रैकेट में डी बार डी कॉमन रह जाएगा और इन दोनों में से ए बी सी बार, सो इन ब्रैकेट डी बार डी विल रिमेन. सो फाइनली ये दोनों भी कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे 1 के साथ. सो ए बार बी सी बार प्लस ए बी सी बार will remain. Now in this case b c bar is common, so a bar plus a will remain in bracket with which will replaced with 1 by applying OR law. So final answer is b c bar, right. जैसे मैंने बोला था पहले ही कि b variable is common in row and in column c bar is common variable, so your answer should be b c bar. So यहाँ पे वो आ गया, right. So this is the way of solving a chord. This is the different type of chord. यहाँ पे हमने अलग chord बनाया था. पिछले 2 एग्जाम्पल में देखिए एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल chord बना था जो एक ही लाइन में था. यहाँ पे यहाँ का जो chord है वो अलग है. ऐसे टाइप का भी chord आप क्या कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं. Now we'll see a next example for type of chord. So the plotting is given like this. First we'll put column numbers 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. then यहाँ पे a bar b bar b a b and a b bar. यहाँ पे c bar d bar c bar d c d and c d bar, and the plotting is given like now. यहाँ पे this corner and this corner together you can make a chord, so this is called as a chord, right. So you can combine such type of adjacent one, right. This is also type of chord. So how to solve? Now first we'll see आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए. Now this chord contains these 2 rows and from these 2 rows the b bar variable is common, so and this column d variable is common, so sure your answer should be b bar d. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, प्रूफ करेंगे. हर एक वन के लिए इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. a बार b बार c बार d प्लस a बार b बार c d प्लस a b बार c बार d प्लस a b बार c d. सो पहले वाले 2 टर्म में a बार b बार d is common, c bar plus c will remain in bracket, then a b bar d is common, c bar plus c will remain in column. Now c bar plus c will get replaced with 1 by applying OR law, so a b bar d plus a b bar d will remain. From this 2 term b bar d is common, in bracket a bar plus a will remain, so final answer is b bar d, right. Then we'll see next example. The plotting is like 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. So यहाँ पे this type of chord is possible. This is also called as a corner chord, right. So these are the types of chords. Such type of chords you can group while solving the K-map. Now you can see that this octet will cover these 2 rows and these 2 columns. So from this 2 row b variable is common, and from these 2 columns d bar variable is common, so your answer should be b d bar. So we will solve this chord. Write down the equation for individual one. So for this one, a bar b, c bar d bar. Then for this one, a b, c bar d bar. For this one, a bar b, c d bar, plus for this one, a b, c d bar. So from these two, b, c bar d bar is common. So in bracket a bar plus will a remain, and from these two, b, c, d bar is common. So in bracket a plus a bar will remain. Now these two brackets it get cancelled by applying OR law. So b c bar d bar plus b c d bar will remain. From these two, b d bar is common. C bar plus c will remain in bracket and it is replaced with 1 by applying OR law. So final answer is b d bar. So practice this sum in your notebook, then and then only you will be able to solve such type of sums, right? Then we'll see another type of chord. The plotting is given like this. Corner of 4 variable K map contains 1. So you can combine like this and you can consider this as an octet. The K maps 4 corners contains number of ones. So you can combinedly take it as a chord. Here a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a b and a b bar variables for rows. For columns c bar, d bar, c bar, d, c d and c d bar. So answer should be, this chord contains these 2 rows. From these 2 rows the b bar variable is common, and from these 2 columns d bar is common. So your answer should be b bar d bar. So we will prove it. For first one, write down equation a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar. For this one, a bar, b bar, c, d bar. For this one, a, b bar, c bar, d bar. For this one, a, b bar, c, d bar. So from these two, the common variables are a bar, b bar, d bar. So in bracket c bar plus c will remain. And for these two, a, b bar, d bar and c bar plus c will remain in bracket. So these two brackets will get cancelled by applying OR law. So finally a bar, b bar, d bar plus a, b bar, d bar will remain. So b bar, d bar common variable. So in bracket a bar plus a will remain. So final answer is b bar, d bar. Right. Then we'll see a last example. Again 4 variable K map is given. Now all of you know how to make a pairing and chord for given K map. 4 variable K map is given and the plotting is like this. So you have to make the proper grouping of ones. Always think about the big group of ones. जितना ग्रुप बड़ा होगा उतना इक्वेशन रिड्यूस होगा, जितना ग्रुप छोटा होगा उतना इक्वेशन लंबा होगा. सो ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट अ बिग ग्रुपिंग. सो हियर one octet will occur, here second octet will occur and here one pair will occur. So this is pair 1, this is chord 1 and this is chord 2. So if there is a number of ones in your K map, you can do the grouping like this. So for this pair your equation is solve for pair 1, equation a bar b c bar d bar. We are writing for pair only, so we'll write for this one, then we'll write for this one, a bar b c bar d. So common variables are a bar b c bar, in bracket d bar plus d will remain. So आंसर इज ए बी सी बार. सो ये पेयर 1 के लिए हो गया. अभी ये कॉर्ड के लिए सोचेंगे. कॉर्ड के लिए इक्वेशन आएगा, कॉर्ड 1 के लिए इक्वेशन आएगा ए बार बी सी बार डी प्लस ए बार बी सी डी प्लस ए बी सी बार डी प्लस ए बी सी डी. नाउ इन दोनों में से ए बार बी डी इज कॉमन, in bracket c bar plus c will remain. From this two term will take a b d common, in bracket c bar plus c will remain. So a bar b d plus a b d will remain, and from this two b d is common, a bar plus a will get cancelled. So answer for chord 1 is b d. आंसर फॉर कॉर्ड 1 इज बी डी. सी मैंने क्या किया है, दिस पेयर के लिए पहले सॉल्व किया, फिर ये कॉर्ड के लिए सॉल्व किया. अभी मैं ये कॉर्ड के लिए सॉल्व करूँगी. सो सॉल्यूशन फॉर कॉर्ड 2 इज ए बार बी सी डी प्लस ए बार बी सी डी बार प्लस ए बी सी डी प्लस ए बी सी डी बार. सो अभी सॉल्व किया, ये इन दोनों में से ए बार बी सी इज कॉमन, डी प्लस डी बार इन ब्रैकेट, देन ए बी सी इज कॉमन, डी प्लस डी बार विल बी देयर. फाइनली ए बार बी सी प्लस ए बी सी विल रिमेन, एंड फ्रॉम दिस टू बी इंटू सी इज कॉमन, इन ब्रैकेट ए प्लस ए बार विल रिमेन. सो फाइनल आंसर इज B into C. Now you have to combine these three terms together. So that is your final solution for K-map. So answer is y is equals to A B C bar plus B D plus B into C. So this is called as a solving K-map with different types of grouping. Please go through all these sums, solve this all sums in your notebook, then and then only you will come to know how to solve the K-map, how to do the grouping like pair and chord. Now tomorrow we'll see how to do the grouping of 8 ones, that is called as a octet. Thank you.